The Karachi Bulk Water Supply Project, also known as K4, is a critical infrastructure project aimed at addressing the water shortage in Karachi, Pakistan. The Greater Karachi Bulk Water Supply Scheme Phase 1 of K4 project intends to supply bulk water conveyance system to the mega-city of Karachi from its source at Canal Lake located in Thatta district of Sindh province for treatment and distribution to meet the growing domestic and industrial water demand. The Phase 1, 260 million gallon per day of K4 project site is located in District Karachi and Thatta of Sindh province. The project has been facing various challenges, including delays in the completion of the project and cost overruns. The project was initially expected to be completed in 2018, but it has faced delays due to various reasons, including land acquisition issues, disputes with contractors, and funding problems. The project was still under construction, and its completion date has been revised several times. However, according to the latest reports, the government of Sindh province, where Karachi is located, has stated that the project is expected to be completed by 2024. The Sindh government has announced that it has allocated a budget of 25 billion rupees for the K4 project for the fiscal year 2021-22. The government has also stated that it is committed to completing the project by 2024. The Karachi Bulk Water Supply Project has had multiple contractors since its inception. The project was initially awarded to a consortium comprising of Frontier Works Organization and the National Engineering Services Pakistan in 2007, but the contract was terminated in 2010 due to delays and cost overruns. In 2012, the Sindh government awarded the contract for the project to the Discon Engineering-led consortium, which included several local and international companies. However, the consortium faced several challenges, including land acquisition issues, technical problems, and funding problems, which led to delays and cost overruns. In 2018, the Sindh government terminated the contract with the Discon-led consortium and awarded a new contract to the China International Water and Electric Corporation, a subsidiary of China Three Gorges Corporation. The new contract includes the construction of a 375 kilometers long pipeline, instead of the original 125 kilometers long water channel, to bring water from the Canal Lake to Karachi. However, the project has faced several challenges, including technical issues, funding problems, and allegations of corruption, which have led to delays and cost overruns. There have also been protests by local residents and civil society organizations over the project's impact on the environment and displacement of communities. In June 2022, the Pakistan Water and Power Development Authority awarded 3 contracts for construction of Phase 1 of Greater Karachi Water Supply Scheme, also known as K4, to supply 260 million gallon per day of water to Karachi. The project will be constructed through 8 packages. The first package is K4, Pipeline 1 worth Rs 5271 billion for pressurized water transmission MS pipelines and allied works involves completion time of 17 months. Contract was signed by representatives of China Harbour Engineering Company Limited and Al Fajr International and Project Director KIV of WAPTA. The second package is K4. Pipeline 2 worth of Rs 28,846 billion was awarded to the same consortium. The length of the pipeline of this package is about 80 kilometers and involved pipelines of 84 and 64 inches diameters. The package has to be completed in 16 months. The third package of engineering procurement and construction turnkey contract of R1 water filtration plant and reservoir 65 million gallon per day was signed with China Gansu International Corporation and Mefa Industries Private Limited joint venture at a cost of 6.6 billion Pakistani rupees. The fourth package of engineering procurement and construction turnkey contract of R2 water filtration plant and reservoir 130 million gallon per day was signed with Anhui Construction Engineering Group Matrakan Pakistan Private Limited and Techno Engineering Services a joint venture at a cost of 12.9 billion Pakistani rupees. The fifth package of engineering procurement and construction turnkey contract of R3 water filtration plant and reservoir was signed with China Gansu International Corporation and Mefa Industries Private Limited joint venture at a cost of 6.5 billion Pakistani rupees. The sixth package of construction of intake structure, main and guide embankment, cell conduit and inlet chambers was signed with Techno Engineering Services and Khyber Grace Private Limited joint venture at a cost of 2.9 billion Pakistani rupees. The seventh package of construction of access road and infrastructure of pumping complex and staff colony is signed with Ramzan and Sons Private Limited at cost of 2.6 billion Pakistani rupees. The 8th package of engineering procurement and construction turnkey contract of pumping station 2 into 130 million gallon per day was signed with Discon Engineering at a cost of 17.4 billion Pakistani rupees. The project was still under construction and was expected to be completed by 2024. Once completed, the project is expected to significantly improve the availability and quality of drinking water in Karachi, which has been facing a water crisis for many years.